Hi guys, welcome back. Something different again for you today than the usual cleaning videos that we've had for the last couple of weeks. Today I decided that I wanted to put on makeup, to go and sit in my living room and wash my dishes and do my washing, but I just wanted to feel a little bit more glamorous than I've been used to feeling for the last few weeks. So this is nice and soft, full of shimmers and metallics and just nice warm neutral feel good colours. If you'd like to see how I got this makeup look or how I did it, keep on watching and I'll show you. So the first thing I'm going to do is make sure that my base is in as good a condition as possible for makeup to go over the top of. So I've got Vaseline for my lips and my Superdrug Vitamin E Leave-On Moisture Mask to moisturise my face. And just whipping the jumper off very quickly. Going in with my foundation, which is the Rimmel Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable medium coverage foundation in 200 soft beige. This foundation is probably a bit dark for my face right now, but it matches down my neck and body, where I've managed to catch a little bit of the sun that we've had while on this lockdown. And just using my damp makeup sponge to blend all that out. And going in with my Maybelline Instant Anti-Age Eraser Multi-Use Concealer in 115 Warm Light, and this just adds extra coverage where I want it, lets me sort of highlight the high points of the face a bit too. And then going in with the W7 eyeshadow base. This is just a neutral cream corrector put over the top of your lids, and in hindsight I wish I hadn't actually set this, as you'll see here, with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, because the W7 eyeshadows are good, but I think I would have got more colour payoff if I had left it slightly tacky. So just going in and powdering the centre point of my face, and then going in with the e.l.f. highlighter that I use, and going over my highlight points as well. So that would be cheekbones, up around the brows, down the middle of the nose, cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin. And then I took my fingertip and I did the corners of my eyes and under my eyebrows. So taking the W7 Colour Me Nude eyeshadow palette and going in with the colour Marilyn. Just a nice pinky metallic shade. And then going back into the colour Coffee Cup with a small angled brush and going round my lash line with it. I think I also took Coffee Cup very lightly on the outer edge as well, just to contour my eyelid a little bit and to lift the outer corners. So going in with my brow gel, very simple brows today, so that's a Loreal Plump and Set Brow Artist in 105 Brunette. I can get away with doing my brows a bit darker at the moment because I have darker roots. It's not just my hair going through. I did decide to go a bit more natural for a change with my hair. So going on to lashes, that's the Collection Lash Surge Mascara, and that is in brown black, because I thought I had lifted black and I had not, but you can't really tell the difference. So I think I got a little bit too trigger happy with the brow gel, and I just went through with a clean spoolie and took some of it out of the front of my brows just to make them look a little bit softer. I'm going in with my Hoola Bronzer and just bronzing up my face to put some of the dimension and the colour back in. So with your foundation and concealer, you sort of give yourself a blank canvas, and then your bronzer and your highlighter puts all your features back in where you want. That's me with the magic of video editing. I have disappeared and dried my hair. As you can see it with the darker root, and it's longer than it's been probably for about 2 years now. And then to finish off, I use the Buxom lip gloss. It's a full-on lip cream. I don't know whether it has a colour to it. It's called the White Russian. And this stuff has like a really strong
peppermint tingle that I had forgotten about. And I went to eat lunch, and I think all I could taste and feel was this cold peppermint tingle. I can't even remember what I had for lunch. But it's a really nice thick gloss, it lasts really well, and it's a nice nude colour. I was going for quite a natural look. I just still wanted to look like me, not too glammed up. I didn't want to faff about with lashes, but I just wanted to look a bit more glamorous.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. As always, if you like what you see, give it a like, a share, and subscribe, and turn on the notifications so you don't miss any of the videos that are coming up. I do a mixture of makeup videos and at the moment cleaning videos, because that's what's keeping me sane. And if there's anything else that you would like to see in terms of the makeup, or any other videos that I could possibly do while we're in this lockdown, then please let me know, and I'll do my best to put out content there that hopefully you find entertaining and that you want to see. Thanks again, guys. See you soon.